I'm going to do this quick video. It's about how to level the, heated bed. So what I found in my CR-10 was that it was really difficult to get any prints to stick. And without like a lot of glue or anything, and you keep seeing all these posts about how you should be able to get it sticking to just plain old glass. Well, it never would. And what I did is I got a metal ruler out that's pretty much straight. This thing's super straight edge. Any straight edge will do. I just found a metal ruler to work really well, and looked at the glass, and it was super warped. So I found some other videos online, and they said go in there and level your bed. So basically, all you do is you take the glass off, and you go down here, and you look for light shining through. Now this is pretty good. You can see I've let's see here. I've leveled it, so you can't see any light. You just move it along, and wherever you see light, you mark the bed. Now I've already leveled this, so you can see all the tape. And basically, you try to get it so there's no light coming through any direction. And you go back across it like this, and you also make sure that it's level this, the Y direction. So X and Y. And you just do that, and you do it a couple times, and make sure everything's good. And put down as much, blue painter's tape as you need. The cheapest stuff will do. You don't have to buy anything expensive. I use the cheapest Blue Hawk here. And then after this, rock solid. I can print like super tiny supports right on the heated bed. Never come off unless some other problem. And then the prints come right off. Like you don't even once the bed cools, boom, they pop right off, just like everyone says. So this is how you level your CR-10S or CR-10 or pretty much any Creality printer and many others. The heated bed underneath the glass. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.